Okay, I will teach you how to divide integers or signed numbers. Okay. 25 divided by 5. We use the slash. What do you call this slash? Okay, this is called solidos. Now sometimes we use 25 over 5. Now what do you call this fraction bar or the division bar? This is called vinculum. Okay, so let's start. What is the rule in dividing integers? Okay, if the integers have the same sign, the quotient is always positive. 64 divided by 8. 64 is positive, 8 is positive. The quotient will always be positive. Negative 99 divided by negative 11. Same sign again. The answer will always be positive. 99 divided by 11 is 9. Now, supposing the integers have different signs. Okay, let's try another one. Negative 162 divided by positive 3. Different signs. The quotient will always be negative. So 162 divided by 3, 16 divided by 3 is 5. So 16 divided by 3 is 5, this will be 15. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Negative 54. Now, supposing the negative sign, the negative integer is in your denominator. Positive, negative, the answer will always be negative. Now, 801 divided by 9. Divided by 9. 80 divided by 9. 7. No, 8. Sorry. 8. 72. Then subtract 80 minus 72. 8. Bring down 1. 9. 81. So negative 89. As simple as that.